Learn how to install kitchen wall porcelain tiles like a professional with this extremely detailed, complete, and advanced step-by-step guide designed for beginners, DIY enthusiasts, and professional tile installers who want to achieve a flawless, luxury quality finish that lasts for years without cracks, gaps, or imperfections. This tutorial takes you through every single stage of the process in great depth. Starting from the very first preparation phase of the kitchen wall, where you must carefully inspect the surface for uneven areas, dust, grease, old paint, or weak plaster that could affect the adhesion of the porcelain tiles. You will learn how to properly clean the wall using professional methods, how to remove all contaminants, and how to apply primers or bonding agents that significantly improve adhesion strength and ensure a long-lasting installation. The guide then moves into the critical planning and measurement stage, where accuracy is everything. You will discover how to measure the entire kitchen wall with precision, how to create a perfect grid layout using laser levels and chalk lines, and how to plan the tile positioning in a way that avoids small, unattractive tile cuts at the edges. You will also learn how professional installers calculate symmetry from the center point of the wall, how to balance tile patterns visually, and how to adjust spacing before the installation even begins to guarantee a perfect final appearance. Next, you will go deep into adhesive preparation, one of the most important parts of porcelain tile installation. Because porcelain is dense and has low water absorption, it requires a strong, high-quality adhesive mixture. This guide explains in detail how to mix tile adhesive to the correct consistency, how long to let it rest before application, and how environmental conditions like temperature and humidity can affect drying time and bonding performance. You will also learn how to choose the correct adhesive type depending on wall conditions, tile size, and installation environment. After preparation, the tutorial continues with the actual installation process, where precision and patience are key. You will learn how to apply adhesive evenly using a notched trowel at the correct angle, how to ensure full coverage behind each tile to avoid hollow spaces, and how to place each porcelain tile carefully on the wall with consistent pressure. You will also see how to use tile spacers correctly to maintain uniform joint gaps, how to continuously check alignment with a spirit level or laser level, and how to make micro adjustments before the adhesive sets. Special techniques are included for handling large format porcelain tiles, which require extra support, careful handling, and sometimes a two-person installation method to avoid breaking or misalignment. The guide also covers advanced cutting techniques, which are essential for achieving a professional finish in difficult areas such as corners, edges, plumbing zones, and electrical outlets. You will learn how to safely cut porcelain tiles using wet saws, diamond blades, and scoring tools, how to reduce chipping during cutting, and how to measure and mark tiles accurately before making any cut. Detailed instructions are also included for curved cuts and irregular shapes where precision is critical. As the installation progresses, you will also learn professional leveling techniques to ensure a perfectly flat wall surface. This includes checking each tile after placement, adjusting height differences immediately, and using leveling systems or clips to prevent lippage between tiles. The guide explains how experienced installers maintain consistent flatness across large wall sections and how to correct mistakes before the adhesive hardens permanently. Once all tiles are installed and fully set, the tutorial moves into the grouting phase, which plays a major role in the final appearance and durability of the wall. You will learn how to select the correct grout type and color depending on tile design, how to mix grout properly to achieve smooth consistency, and how to apply it evenly across all joints using professional rubber floats. You will also learn how to clean excess grout safely without damaging the porcelain surface, how to achieve perfectly smooth joints, and how to polish the tiles for a clean, reflective finish. Finally, the guide includes essential finishing and maintenance tips, showing you how to inspect the entire installation for imperfections, how to seal grout lines if necessary, and how to properly clean and maintain porcelain tiles to keep them looking brand new for many years. You will also discover common mistakes that beginners make during installation and how to avoid them completely, ensuring that your final result looks like a high-end professional kitchen renovation. By following this expanded and highly detailed guide, you will be able to transform any kitchen wall into a perfectly aligned, durable, and visually stunning porcelain tile installation that meets professional standards and elevates the overall design of the space with a clean, modern, and elegant finish. This complete professional guide continues deep into the advanced stages of kitchen wall porcelain tile installation, focusing on expert-level techniques, real-job site practices, problem-solving methods, and finishing strategies that separate beginner work from true professional craftsmanship. At this stage, the installation is no longer just about placing tiles on a wall, it becomes a precision process where every millimeter matters, and where timing, control, and technical understanding directly determine the final quality and durability of the entire project. One of the most critical areas covered in this second part is advanced surface correction during installation. Even if the wall was initially prepared correctly, professional installers know that minor imperfections often appear once tiling begins. This section explains how to continuously monitor wall flatness while working, how to identify micro deviations that are not visible to the eye but can be detected using straight edges or laser reflections, and how to immediately correct these issues before adhesive curing begins. You will also learn how to compensate for uneven substrates by adjusting adhesive thickness strategically without compromising tile alignment or causing future lippage problems. These techniques are essential in high-end kitchen installations where lighting can highlight even the smallest surface defects. Another major focus is large-format porcelain tile handling, which requires a completely different level of skill and coordination compared to standard tile sizes. In this section, you will learn how professionals safely transport and handle oversized tiles without cracking or edge damage, how to use suction cup lifters effectively, and how to coordinate two-person placement techniques to ensure perfect alignment on the first attempt. It also explains how to pre-plan movement paths inside the kitchen space to avoid collisions with walls, cabinets, or appliances, which is often overlooked but extremely important in tight working environments. The guide then moves into advanced adhesive control strategies, where timing becomes one of the most important factors. You will learn how to recognize the exact working time of tile adhesive depending on temperature and humidity conditions, how to avoid skin formation on adhesive surfaces, and how to rework sections safely when delays occur. It also explains how professionals apply adhesive in controlled sections rather than covering large areas at once, ensuring consistent bonding strength across the entire wall. Special attention is given to back buttering techniques for porcelain tiles, where adhesive is applied not only to the wall but also to the back of the tile to maximize grip and eliminate hollow spots. Next, the tutorial explores precision alignment systems used by professionals to achieve perfectly straight and level tile lines across large kitchen walls. This includes detailed explanations of tile leveling clips and wedges, how to install and tighten them correctly, and how to remove them at the optimal time without disturbing tile position. You will also learn how to maintain consistent joint spacing over long distances, how to correct cumulative alignment drift that can occur after multiple rows, and how to use reference lines effectively throughout the entire installation process. A very important section in this part covers complex cutting scenarios, which often determine the final visual quality of the installation. You will learn how to handle multi-angle cuts for corners where walls are not perfectly square, how to deal with irregular kitchen layouts, and how to create precise openings for electrical sockets, switches, water outlets, and ventilation points. It also explains how to reduce chipping on porcelain edges using scoring techniques, blade selection strategies, and controlled cutting speeds. Additionally, it provides guidance on how to pre-test cuts on spare tiles to avoid costly mistakes on visible surfaces. The guide then goes into installation flow management, which is how professionals organize their work from start to finish to maintain speed without losing accuracy. This includes how to divide the kitchen wall into working zones, how to sequence tile placement for maximum efficiency, and how to avoid working in a way that traps you into corners or limits movement. It also explains how experienced installers maintain rhythm during installation while constantly checking alignment, spacing, and adhesive condition without slowing down productivity. Another advanced topic covered is error correction during installation. Even professional installers occasionally place tiles slightly out of alignment or with uneven pressure. This section explains how to safely lift and reposition tiles without damaging surrounding work, how to refill adhesive properly after adjustments, and how to recognize when a correction is still possible versus when it is better to remove and restart a section entirely. It also includes troubleshooting for common issues such as tile slipping, adhesive sagging on vertical walls, and inconsistent joint width. As the installation progresses toward completion, the guide introduces pre-grouting inspection techniques used by professionals to ensure quality control before moving to the next phase. You will learn how to inspect the entire wall systematically, how to identify subtle leveling issues that only appear under angled light, and how to verify joint consistency across the entire surface. This step is critical because once grouting begins, corrections become much more difficult and time-consuming. The section also includes environmental and timing considerations that significantly affect installation quality. You will learn how temperature changes affect adhesive curing speed, how humidity can impact bonding strength, and how to adjust working methods in hot or cold conditions. It also explains how to protect freshly installed tiles from dust, accidental impact, or movement during the curing phase, ensuring that the installation remains stable and perfectly aligned. Finally, this part emphasizes professional mindset and quality standards that define expert level tile installation work. It explains how professionals constantly evaluate their own work during the process rather than waiting until the end, how they maintain discipline in spacing, alignment, and cleanliness throughout the job, and how they ensure that every section meets a consistent visual standard that will remain stable for years. This mindset is what transforms a basic tile installation into a high-end architectural finish. By mastering the techniques in this second part, you move beyond basic installation knowledge and into advanced professional practice, where precision, planning, and technical control come together to create a flawless kitchen wall. Porcelain tile installation that meets the highest construction and design standards.